You think that I should calm down.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. It's been a minute since I uploaded a video. I failed at Vlogmas terribly, and the reason why I stopped is it was just too much. I knew it's going to be a lot of work, but at the end I was spending around 10 hours a day for filming or editing, and I didn't want to do that during the holidays. I also didn't get to spend much time with my family all year like most of the people, so I really wanted to focus on that. But I'm back now, and today's video is a complete disaster. Clean with me. My kitchen and bedroom are completely trashed, so I will take care of that first, and the last room I'm going to be cleaning is the living room, which wasn't that bad.
Ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? I know I'm feeling something for you. The way you look, the way you act.
I just cleared the table and put all the things on their place, and now I'm going to wipe down this table with my splendid kitchen cleaner and wet cleaning cloth.
But we should take it slow, work things out so you don't let me go. When I come real close, I don't wanna get hurt, 'cause I'm not ready to give you my heart yet. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? Before I'm too invested, we should take it easy. Maybe we could test this and work out.
Now I'm moving to the dishes, and I have a lot to wash today. I was slacking so much with cleaning for the last week or so, and it feels so good to be back on a normal schedule. I also can't wait to do some deep cleaning. I will probably upload a deep cleaning video next Sunday, and I will also be undecorating in that video. And that brings me to the question, did you take down your Christmas decor already or not? I always leave mine up until mid-January. I only decorate for Christmas because I don't have much other decor, so I always like to enjoy it for as long as possible.
Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better.
If you enjoy cleaning and organizing, please consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you here. For now, I'm going to upload 2 videos a week on Sundays and Wednesdays, and Wednesdays videos are mostly going to be shorter videos like speed cleaning and power hours, and on Sundays I will upload longer videos like complete disasters, messy house transformation, deep cleaning and organizing, and other fun stuff. Also leave a like and a comment if you like my videos because it helps me a lot.
Wake up at your place, wake up at mine. Same question always. I'm getting tired. We could have breakfast, counting your freckles, close to the west coast. How about that? Why don't we just get a place together? Mornings in our own bed, so much better.
Now I'm going to clean the stovetop with Dr. Bachmann Glass Stovetop Cleaner, and then I'm going to wash the remaining dishes.
Place together. Why don't we just get a place together?
The last thing I'm going to do in the kitchen is sweep the floors and then I will move to the bedroom.
Place together, mornings in our own bed, so much better. Balconies and bathtubs, what you want? Why don't we just get a place together? Why don't we just get a place together?
In the bedroom, I will start with dusting my dresser, and I totally forgot to show you how dusty it was. I didn't dust this since a few days before Christmas, and this was filmed on 4th of January. But I will show you the TV stand in my living room later, and this was almost the same.
Place together. Why don't we just get a place together? Funny how the story goes, little hope but bigger dreams. They try to bring a sucker down, singing louder than the crowd.
Now I will strip the bed and put fresh sheets on, and you can already see the chaos around the bed. There were so many clothes on the floor everywhere, and we also had some random presents still here. I will pick up all the dirty clothes and take them into the laundry room with the dirty sheets and bedding.
The sun is getting warmer. Oh, when we soar away among the clouds, the sky is just a border. Oh, when we're floating up like helium. Sip me up like lemonade. We both know it's bittersweet. The sorrowness will bite your tongue. No one is forever young. No. Listen the rhythm. I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward. It's gonna save you. Never look down, love. Not when we shine so bright. I know the sun is getting warmer. Oh, when we soar away among the clouds, the sky is just a border. Oh, when we're floating up like helium. Do you ever call back? Do you ever pick up on that phone? Stop pretending I don't know you're home. I guess not. Do you ever respond? Explain it all again, again, again. Tell me why you don't wanna never make it on my own. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me how I'm gonna get through. I don't wanna take another life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense.
I'm just unpacking some presents that were left in the bags, and I know this is very random, but I decided that I will move my desk from the living room into the bedroom so this corner isn't so empty, and I can also add it behind the desk here instead of on the bed.
Your pretty face inside my head, wishing you the best of life instead. Well, not yet. Baby, no, I don't wanna go. You know how much I hate sleeping alone. I can never make it on my own. Tell me what I'm gonna.
And the last room I'm cleaning today is our living room, which, as I said in the beginning, wasn't that bad, so I'm just tidying up as usual, and then I'm going to wipe down the table.
Tell me how I'm gonna get through. I don't wanna take another life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. You, oh you, I keep wishing we'll end up together. You, oh you, I keep wishing. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me how I'm gonna get through. I don't wanna take another life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Oh no. I sat down by the ocean.
I'm also going to dust this TV stand, and even though I love all the decorations, I also can't wait to get rid of them so I don't have to move everything around when I'm cleaning. And as promised, I'm showing you how dusty the bottom part is. I will take everything out here and properly dust and wipe down everything.
What can I do when your train is gone? I don't wanna go back, don't wanna go back. If you are not with me, hey, do you read me? Go back to where we came from. If my hands are empty, hey, do you read me? Go back. I don't wanna go alone. Go back. If you are not with me, hey, I don't wanna go back. I know you want the best for me. Your intentions are good. I walk back to my history, into my old neighborhood. Longing for you. Oh, but I can't get back. What can I do? When your train is gone? I don't wanna go back, don't wanna go back. If you are not with me, hey, do you read me? Go back to where we came from.
And the last thing I'm going to do is vacuum. Thank you all for joining me in today's video, and I hope you enjoyed this complete disaster clean with me, and I hope it motivated you to tackle your own to-do list. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye!